we know that weeks 5 to week 8 are really challenging times for not just the students but staff as well. For many of us, we're battling coughs and colds and sneezes and flu. It's that time of the year for us, and that showing of that power of the connection between the staff and students to really help grow a community really solidifies during those weeks. And it's really important that we show the boys that the connection needs to be made, and it has to be authentic.
So wellbeing is many things to me. It means your mental health, how you act, but also how you treat others. And it comes along with character as well, because to have good character means you treat others well, but also yourself, as your well-being is a very important thing throughout your schooling. As to have a healthy and well-being, it'll help you perform in school.
Extremely. For someone like Headley, who touches so many different parts of the school, whether it's academic, whether it's a support as a leader for the younger boys at the school, for them to be modelling it and for them to hear it from Headley is incredibly important. He's walked it their lives beforehand, and he knows the experiences and where they are right now as well. So who better to talk to the boys than someone who's led all that himself?